Hey, Bubba, are you tooting the horn? You're not. How's it coming?
Well, screws are rusted tight.
Trying to take this AC off so we can get it into the shop. Whoa! See if this thing will fit. You're good in the front. Just keep going real slow. No, I think you're good.
I don't have a lot of room to get by in the back.
Bubba. Sweeto. Yep. Hey, Bubba, are you tooting the horn? You're not. Alright, so we have the camper now in the shop, and we're just working at tearing out everything we want to tear out. So we got most of the bed area bunk tore out. Wow, that worked nice.
It's kind of loud.
Here, come.
Try to turn it down a little bit.
Oh.
There we go.
We want to tear out the wall, the floors, and the sides of the dinettes, and a few things like that. So that's what we're doing today. And who knows, days after. We just work at this project as we can, so some days it's only half hour, some days it's an hour. So yeah, it might take a few days to get everything tore out, or maybe we'll get it done in one day. Kind of all depends on this little fellow. Hey, are you going to be good? Are you going to be happy? Got that side tore off. I think I like that. We'll just finish it out ourselves. How's it coming, Bubba? Are you getting it fixed? Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Okay. Yay! How's it coming?
Sopping wet.
Tearing out this moldy wet wood, whatever it is. We have the front completely tore out and ready. I want to spray it for mold. We found black mold. I don't really see any right now, but I want to just spray everything down and make sure it kills it. Hopefully it does. So here goes. I'm going to spray this area with a mixture of water and hydrogen peroxide, which is supposed to take care of mold, just in case there's any left. Most of it was on the wood. I don't think there's a whole lot, but just in case, I'm going to try this. So here goes. calling that good. While I was in putting Xander to bed, Nolan was out here tearing out the flooring and he got it all done before I even came out. So there's carpet, and then someone had put laminate flooring on top of the carpet, which was pretty nasty. This wood is kind of old, but it's actually pretty solid. And my husband doesn't think we need to replace anything, which is really awesome. So I just need to tear out the toilet here yet so we can get to that carpet, which is going to be kind of nasty. So yeah, we tore the sides out off of the booths, which gave us a lot more room because these were coming out a good little bit, like the cushions of the armrest. I didn't like that, so we'll redecorate that, refinish that. And this is going to be the big project right here. This is glue from the styrofoam. There was some pretty significant water damage, so hopefully we can get that fixed. And I'm not quite sure how to go about this. I want to reseal some of these holes, corners.